Oh, hello. Yeah. But as time pass.
Are you doing a vlog?
Oh, yeah, come my vlog.
Yeah. Okay. We want to join you.
We outside. Yeah. Are you all Bulgarian?
Yes.
What country has the most beautiful girls?
Bulgaria, of course.
Oh. Boom. Hey, yeah, that's on Kendrick. Thinking about no reboot, nigga, what I see. Like I'm joking. Everybody wanna be deep until they get shit by a throwaway. And I got Huh? How are you, bro? Yes, sir, I'm good, man. How are you? You good? Boom. You good? Yes, sir. We outside, yeah. You good? Yeah, we outside, yeah. You outside too? She outside. Boom. Yo. Come look. We outside, people. This is. We outside for that damn boy.
Ходиме в някоя квартална, да ни псува, поцелувките ни бясно да ревнува, бясно карай.
Силата за днес и всичката специално от дежевото от
We outside. That's some fresh shit. I'm from Trinidad.
Yeah?
This is a fresh outfit, bro. Brother man, where you from?
London, bro. London.
You must say London. All they all from London?
Nah, they're Bulgarian, bro.
Oh, so you gonna say you?
She's squeezing them jeans.
Put out there, brother man. Put out there. We outside.
So he's gonna get slapped with a fuck the big three. It's just big me, nigga. I'm running like that. And the best work is like that. And the prince out lit like Jack. Nigga. Me.
Background. Picture of that. Go. Head so good, she on the road. She right big like a carnival.
But I fight in my life.
Yeah, put out there, man. Boom. We outside, people. Yeah, put out there. Mental. Yo, where we at? Yes, sir. Put out there, brother man. Yeah. Yeah, we outside, boy. We outside. Put out there, brother man.
What you doing?
I here chilling, bruh. Yo, I get the last firework. Ooh. Brother man, when I first hear these shots ring off, I thought it was gunshots. Anyhow, folks, I just here got myself a little glass of beer, a beta. I'll shoot some fireworks at this time of the night. Who doing fireworks at this time? It ain't the 4th of July no more. Oh shit. Is he birthday girl? Is he birthday girl? Yeah. More. I did the whole nightlife thing last night with a shorty and I tell myself, I guess the nightlife here is very fun. So that's why I decided to vlog tonight. This is our last night out here, bruh. The trip is over, people. It's been a trip full of fun, laughs, ups and some downs, you know, the hills and valleys. But yeah, boom.
I'm from Nigeria. I'm on Niger.
Yeah. So what do you think about life as a black man in Bulgaria?
Oh man, when they see African, they're like,
Yeah.
So-
And what about how do you find the Bulgarian girls think of black guys?
when you talk to them, you know, they're like, oh, like, okay, just 1 second. Hi. How are you? All right, where are you from? Oh, okay.
Me that car. Yes, sir. It's all about footwork, people. That's all it's about. We go on stage with the lights. Skirt. Varna. God damn. You know I like a stage. Peoples.